Want to program your key fob for a 1996-1999 Chevy Suburban yourself? It's a simple DIY task. These models use an early GM keyless entry system, so you don't need special tools. All you need is a working fob with fresh batteries, CR2032, access to the driver's door, and the vehicle in park, with all doors closed. Here are the requirements: a working fob with fresh CR2032 batteries, and access to the driver's door with the vehicle in park and all doors closed. Online forums and videos show this method is still reliable, but battery condition and vehicle health are crucial for success. Extreme temperatures can also affect fob performance. Remember to buy OEM fobs for best results, as aftermarket ones can cause issues. The system allows up to 4 fobs to be programmed. Let's get started. Ensure all doors are closed and no fobs are inside. Insert the key and turn the ignition to on, not start, then off within 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle 2 to 4 times until the horn chirps or lights flash, signaling program mode. Press and hold the lock button on the fob until the horn chirps, confirming the fob is programmed. Repeat for any additional fobs. Exit programming mode by turning the ignition to ACC or waiting 10 to 15 seconds. If pairing fails, check for interference from aftermarket alarms or faulty wiring. Corroded connectors are common, so inspect them. If issues persist, consider that the body control module might need replacement. Remember, patience and precise timing are key.